G. There are three alphabet T to G, so there are three. Here are two alphabet E, G, then there are two. So this is due to repulsion, splitting of d orbitals of metal ion is done due to the repulsion of electron of d orbitals and electron of ligand. You have to make clear in your mind that which two d orbitals gets energy and which three orbitals do not get energy. Two orbitals, that is the x square minus y square dz square, are present on axis, will get more repulsion and get energy and go upper level, that is to be said Eg. And less repulsion is done between the electron of ligand and electron of d orbitals. That three orbitals are dxy, dyz and dzx. These are dxy, dyz and dzx will lose the energy, so it will having the energy level T2G, and the splitting energy of d orbitals is known as delta 0. So the value of this energy level is 3 by 2 delta 0, and value of 3 by 5, sorry, and value of T2's energy level is 2 by 5 delta 0, where 2 orbitals, then subtract 5 minus 2 means 3 by 5, 3 orbitals, subtract 5 minus 3 means 2 by 5 delta 0. So this is the very most important topic related to crystal field theory. It is depend on the nature of crystal field theory, it is depend on the nature of ligand. There are two types of ligand. Generally, metal is positive charge and ligand is negative charge, or it is polar neutral molecule. So ligands is strong. We are having the knowledge of strong ligand and weak ligand. If cyanide is acting as a ligand, then it is strong ligand. Ammonia is strong ligand. Fluoride, chloride is weak ligand. We all know that. If strong ligand is there, then the splitting will more of d orbitals, and if weak ligand is attached with metal ion, then the splitting of d orbitals will become less. So it is depend on nature of ligand. If the ligand is strong, then d orbital splitting will high, and if ligand is weak, then d orbital splitting will weak or less. This series of ligand is known as spectrochemical series. There is the order of ligand of strong, that is known as spectrochemical series. We will discuss all ligand related to spectrochemical series in next lecture. Just we are revising this lecture. So what is crystal field theory? Crystal field theory is electrostatic model. Generally, ligand and metal ion having coordination bond, but according to crystal field theory, ligand is form ionic bond with metal, that is Kahneman twist. Ligand is generally negative ion or neutral polar ion. When ligand is in free gaseous form, then it can not splitting all d orbitals having the same energy level. When in spherical form, if magnetic field is created surrounding the metal, even though d orbitals cannot split and it has same or equal energy level, but when ligand is attached to surrounding the metal, then d orbital will split. That is the explained in this figure. We are having 5d orbitals, all 5d orbitals having the same energy level. This is the same energy level. Free magnetic field is surrounding, negative magnetic field is surrounding attached to metal, then the energy level also the same. But when it is having the surrounding ligand, then the d orbitals will get split. Why it is split? Because ligand having the electron, d orbitals having the electron, both electron is negative ion, so repulsion is done. Which d orbitals having the more repulsion? Two d orbitals, dx square minus y square and dz square, which is present on axis, having the more repulsion, will get energy and transfer to upper energy level, that is to be said Eg. And 3d orbitals, they are dxy, dyz and dzx, is present in between of axis, will down the energy level, and it is to be said T2g, and energy value of Eg is 3 by 5 delta 0, energy value of T2g is 2 by 5 delta 0. Generally, metal ion having positive charge and ligand having the negative charge, but ligand are two types. It may be strong ligand, it may be weak ligand. Strong ligand can split the more d orbitals and weak ligand can split less d orbitals. So it is depend on the nature of ligand, is it strong or weak, and the series of ligand of strong or weak is known as spectrochemical series, will be discussed in next lecture. So I have explained very interestingly to you crystal field theory. I request you send me homework 2 times. I am not speaking over here the name of the student who are not sending me homeworks, but Sunday we are having the meeting, students parents meeting. You are be informed soon, and please send me homework today, otherwise we will discuss in parents meeting. Thank you very much.